Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with me. Today, we will listen to 10 real conversations at a hospital reception desk. You will hear people checking in for appointments, asking questions, solving small problems. These are real situations you may face at a hospital or clinic. Some people feel nervous. Some people forget things. Some people are not sure what to say. That is normal. You are not alone. The receptionist is always kind, patient, and helpful. And we will learn together, step by step. Let's begin.
Good morning. Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi. Good morning. I think I have an appointment.
Okay, no problem at all. You're in the right place. What's your name?
It's Daniel Brown. Daniel Brown.
All right, Daniel Brown. Let me take a look here. Just a moment.
Sure, no rush.
Okay, and do you remember what time your appointment is?
I think it's at 9:45. I'm pretty sure. I hope that's right.
That's totally fine. Let's see. Yes, here it is. You're right. 9:45 with Dr. Patel.
Oh, good. That's a relief.
Yeah, you're all set. You came at a good time.
Okay, great. Thanks.
So, Daniel, is this your first time visiting us here?
Yes, it is. This is my first time.
All right, that's no problem at all. We get that a lot.
Yeah, I wasn't really sure what to do when I walked in.
That's completely normal. Don't worry. I'll help you with everything you need.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
That's very normal, too. A lot of people feel that way, especially the first time.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You're doing just fine, really. Everything looks good on my end.
Okay, that's good to hear. Thanks for saying that.
Of course. You can just take a seat for now, and we'll let you know when it's time.
All right, sounds good. Thanks again.
You're welcome, Daniel. Take your time. All right, whenever you're ready. May I see your ID, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me just check this quickly.
Okay.
All right, and could you tell me your date of birth?
Yeah, it's March 8th, 1998. March 8th.
March 8th, 1998. Perfect.
Did I say that right? Sometimes I second guess myself.
Yes, you did. Everything is correct. You're doing great.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your ID.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
Of course, no problem at all. All right, and may I see your insurance card, please?
Oh, I think I forgot it at home.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Really? I'm sorry about that.
It's honestly fine. This happens every day. You're not the only one.
Yeah, I still feel kind of bad. I thought I had everything with me.
You really don't need to feel bad. It's very common.
Okay, thanks for saying that.
No problem at all. Do you happen to know the name of your insurance company?
Yes, I do. It's United Health.
Great. That actually helps a lot.
Oh, good. I also have a photo of the card on my phone, if that helps.
That works perfectly.
Oh, really? Okay, let me pull it up.
Take your time. There's no rush.
All right, here it is.
Perfect. This is exactly what we need.
Thank you. I really appreciate your patience.
Of course, you're doing just fine.
Excuse me, could you help me with this form for a moment?
Of course, no problem at all. What part is confusing?
This word right here. It says emergency contact, and I'm not totally sure what that means.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a common question. An emergency contact is just a person we can call if you need help.
Oh, I see. So, would that be like my sister?
Yes, exactly. Your sister would be perfect.
Okay, so I just write her name here and then her phone number?
That's right. Just her full name and the best number to reach her.
All right, that makes sense now.
Take your time. You're doing it correctly.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Looks good to me.
Great. Thank you for explaining that.
You're very welcome. Happy to help.
Excuse me, do you know how long the wait is right now?
Let me check. It should be about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. I was a little worried it might be a long wait.
No, not today. It's actually pretty calm right now.
That's good to hear. 15 minutes isn't bad at all.
Yeah, it should go by pretty quickly.
All right, so I just wait here?
You can have a seat in the waiting area.
Over there?
Yes, right over there. Any seat is fine.
Okay, great. Thank you for letting me know.
My pleasure. Just relax and we'll call your name soon.
All right, thanks again.
You're welcome.
Hello. Hi. I'm here to visit my father.
Hi there, of course. I can help you with that. What's your father's name?
His name is Robert Green. Robert Green.
All right, let me check that for you. Okay. Yes, I see him here.
Oh, good.
He's in room 306.
Room 306. Okay. Where exactly is that?
That's on the 3rd floor. You'll want to take the elevator.
All right. So I take the elevator up to the 3rd floor?
Yes, that's right. Once you get out of the elevator, turn left.
Turn left. Okay.
Then just walk straight down the hallway. You'll see the room numbers on the doors.
All right. That sounds easy enough.
Room 306 will be along that hallway.
Okay. Thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. And just so you know, visiting hours are until 7 p.m.
Oh, perfect. That gives me plenty of time.
Yes, you're all set.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. Enjoy your visit.
The doctor just told me I need a blood test.
Yes, that's right. For that, you'll need to go to the lab.
Okay, where is the lab exactly?
It's on the 2nd floor.
2nd floor. All right.
You can take the elevator right over there.
Okay, I see it.
When you get off on the 2nd floor, just turn right.
Turn right. Got it.
Then walk straight for a bit, and you'll see a big sign that says Lab.
Oh, okay. That really helps.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to find once you're up there.
All right. Thank you for explaining it.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. By the way, do you happen to know which doctor you're seeing today?
Honestly, I'm not sure. I remember I saw the name before, but I kind of forgot it.
That's totally okay. No worries at all. Let me check it for you.
Thanks. Yeah, my mind just goes blank sometimes.
All right, I've got it here. You're seeing Dr. Patel today.
Dr. Patel. Okay. Yeah, that sounds familiar.
It happens all the time. Would you like me to write the name down for you?
Yes, please. That actually really helps me remember.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much. That's really helpful.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
I appreciate it.
I just wanted to say I'm a little scared.
I understand. That's okay. Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, hospitals just make me really nervous. I don't know why, but they always do.
That's very normal. A lot of people feel that way when they're here.
Really? It's not just me?
Not at all. You're definitely not alone. People tell me that every day.
Oh, that actually makes me feel a little better.
I'm glad to hear that. And just so you know, you're safe here.
Yeah. Thank you for saying that. I needed to hear it.
Of course, anytime. You're doing great, and we're here to help you.
Okay. Thanks again.
You're very welcome.
So am I checked in now?
Yes, you are. Everything is done. You're all checked in.
Okay. I didn't forget anything, right?
No, not at all. You did everything right.
Oh, good. I was worried I might miss something.
Nope, you're completely fine.
I feel like I asked a lot of questions today.
That's actually a good thing. Asking questions is smart.
Yeah? I wasn't sure if I was being annoying.
Not at all. That's what we're here for.
Okay. Thank you for being so patient with me.
Of course, that's my job.
I feel more confident now, much better than when I came in.
I'm really happy to hear that.
Yeah, thank you again.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much for watching today. In this lesson, you learned how to check in at a hospital, ask for help, stay calm, solve small problems. Did you notice how confidence grows with practice? Did you see how asking questions is okay? Which conversation helped you the most? Please write a comment and tell me. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone learning English. Keep practicing. You are doing great. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.